Hey Mohammed, I think you asked how I was making the relative strength macro work with the current version of the macro that's in Google Sheets. I'm just cheating essentially. I just come in here and change column E to be mean reversion, and then I paste it down, and then I populate the show range data, fill the table, check the right date, and select the current holdings, tell it where to be populated at, and then run it. Oops, I forgot to copy down the current profit and loss first. And then once I've completed it, I just copy and paste over. So I'll copy the relative strength label in column E above and paste it onto the new stuff. So that's how I've been doing that. I'm going to show you, I wanted to test running the macro from a different path and using my most up-to-date source CSV files. So I'm going to record that process and we'll see how it goes and if there's any errors. So let me find, I've saved everything to this file folder. I thought I need the bot. There it is. So I'll start the bot, macro. And I'm going to reference tracking files here. So I'm just copying the paths and pasting them in, making sure there's no quotation marks. Oh, that's the wrong one. That one needs to go there. And then volatility is here. Okay. And put the newsletter template in the path. Let's see. This guy. So copy that, put that in that new path, and I should be good to go. So I'll run volatility first. I'll start by selecting the process selected strategy button, and then I'm going to go to this test directory, and these are Friday's source CSVs. So I'll select that and wait for a second and see what happens. So I'm getting this runtime error 5. I don't know if I should let it keep going or hit end or debug. I'll debug just for grins. So it brings up the most recent days. So one problem is this is choosing today's date instead of the most recent trading date, which was 7/23. So that's kind of an issue. Close the debugger. Move this to the side. And close this. Don't save. Doesn't look like it created any images. Those should be in this main folder, but it doesn't look like they're there. So I'll try momentum. And that's the new momentum source CSV. Getting the same runtime error. go to the bottom of the tracking file. It's probably going to have the same error. Yeah, it's grabbing today's date versus Friday's date. Today being Sunday, today being the 25th. And this also isn't a complete list of what's supposed to happen. So if I were to show you, this is what is that it? Yeah. No. Let me just go pull up the file just to make sure. My dog's begging me for a walk. Sorry if you can hear him whining in the background. So this is what should be the action table for the next day. So not complete. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, and here we've got probably 40 or so, close to 35. So that also didn't create any images, PNGs, so I don't think that's working with this new path. And I don't think I can get mean reversion to work because of the issues in just the name, but I'll try it. So relative strength. Yeah, same error. I don't know if that's any help, but I'll post this video for you and send you the link.